original Samsung cable. Tight, works fine. Very old Samsung cable from an old cell phone. Still tight enough, working fine. Now let's see the new product that I bought a month ago. See? Oh, not charging. Oh. See? Oh, no, still not charging. Oh. Extremely loose. Wasn't like that when I opened the pack. When it was brand new, it was tight and working fine. Now it's already defect. Let's see the other one. You hear that sound? Charging, not charging, charging, not charging. Extremely loose. This one is a little bit better, but if I move it, it still loses a charge. I bought those cables 1 month ago. May 26th. We are June 20. 1 month. Less than 1 month.